Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to invite people to Facebook group via or by email. So first you have to go to Facebook group, then you'll find here this invite option, which is plus icon. Click on this, the blue option invite. Then you'll find two options: invite Facebook friends, invite with email. Choose invite with email. Now you have to write here the email address to that specific person you want to invite. Now click on add and then click on send option, this one, and your invitation has been sent. Okay, to that specific mail your invitation has been sent. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.